This action-packed video compilation brings together 115 of the craziest, most jaw-dropping, and downright unbelievable car crash moments ever captured on camera. From idiotic decisions behind the wheel to instant karma playing out in real time, this video showcases the raw and often shocking reality of reckless driving. Whether it's high-speed collisions, dramatic rollovers, road rage gone wrong, or simply absurd driving behavior, every clip in this compilation tells a story that is both thrilling and cautionary. In a world where everyone is in a rush, these real-life moments reveal just how dangerous the roads can become when drivers act carelessly, impulsively, or outright stupidly. Caught mostly on dashcams and street surveillance cameras, the footage in this compilation is not staged or dramatized. It's 100% real, raw, and often terrifying. Each scene captures not just the impact, but also the moments leading up to it, giving viewers a front-row seat to disaster in the making. You'll witness drivers ignoring red lights, making illegal turns, overtaking on blind curves, or tailgating at dangerous speeds. In many cases, the consequences are immediate and severe, with vehicles crashing into walls, flipping over, colliding with others, or spinning out of control. But what makes these moments even more compelling is the element of poetic justice, when the driver's own actions directly result in their downfall. That's the instant karma that makes this compilation both satisfying and shocking. From luxury cars to old beat-up sedans, no vehicle type is spared. Sometimes it's overconfident sports car drivers showing off and losing control, other times it's distracted drivers texting, eating, or simply not paying attention. Some crashes involve multi-car pileups, while others are bizarre single-vehicle accidents that leave viewers scratching their heads. Every clip is unique, and together they form a mosaic of chaos, carelessness, and consequences. But this compilation isn't just about the crashes themselves, it's also about the human behavior behind the wheel. The frustration, the impatience, the arrogance, and the overconfidence all come together to create situations that escalate in the blink of an eye. Road rage is a recurring theme, where tempers flare and drivers make impulsive decisions that they instantly regret. These moments are a sobering reminder of how quickly a normal day on the road can turn into a life-altering event. Many of the crashes featured in this video also serve as educational moments. They highlight common driving mistakes that can lead to disaster, such as following too closely, not checking blind spots, failing to yield, or overestimating one's own driving ability. Watching these clips may be entertaining, but they also carry important lessons that could potentially save lives. The hope is that viewers will walk away with more awareness and respect for the rules of the road. In addition to the shocking accidents, the video also captures some incredible reactions, from quick-thinking bystanders rushing to help, to passengers screaming in disbelief, to even humorous commentary captured in the background. These raw, unscripted moments add emotional depth and human connection to the otherwise mechanical chaos. Visually, the compilation is fast-paced, with crisp editing that keeps the viewer engaged from start to finish. Each crash is shown clearly, often from multiple angles or in slow motion, so that the cause and impact are fully understood. There's no filler content, just back-to-back real-life footage that keeps the adrenaline pumping. Some moments are downright funny in their absurdity, while others are chilling in their intensity. The variety ensures that the video never feels repetitive or monotonous. There's also a global feel to the footage, with crashes from all over the world, the United States, Russia, India, China, Europe, and more. This wide geographic range shows that careless driving is a universal issue, not limited to one culture or country. Traffic laws may differ from place to place, but human error remains a common denominator. Some of the most intense moments include high-speed police chases ending in spectacular crashes, trucks tipping over due to sharp turns, motorcycles getting clipped by turning vehicles, and even pedestrian encounters that end in near-miraculous escapes. The mix of vehicles involved, cars, SUVs, buses, bikes, trucks, adds further variety and highlights the different kinds of dangers present on the road. Throughout the compilation, there's an underlying sense of accountability. When a driver acts with blatant disregard for safety, the resulting crash feels earned, almost inevitable. That's where the instant karma theme truly comes alive. These aren't just accidents, they're consequences. And watching those consequences unfold can be both cathartic and eye-opening. Of course, while many of these incidents appear dramatic, it's important to remember that real lives are at stake. The goal of this compilation is not to glorify or sensationalize crashes, but to highlight the importance of responsible driving through real-world examples. It's a blend of entertainment and awareness, meant to make viewers laugh, gasp, and reflect. If you enjoy watching high-energy, real-life content that delivers both thrills and cautionary tales, this video is a must-watch. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a concerned commuter, or someone who simply loves instant justice, this compilation will keep you hooked. It's a wild ride through the extremes of human behavior on the road, chaotic, dangerous, and at times, bizarrely funny. Buckle up, press play, and experience 115 of the most outrageous driving moments that remind us all of one simple truth: karma has no brakes. And when it hits hard.